past, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You need stronger. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me can make
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so. And now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves. Laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Yo, Chad, welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are locked in. I hope you're ready for this one. And before we get into the good stuff, guys, you know what they say. If you got a P for TP, we're breaking all-time highs today. I'm joking, Chad. I just had to have some water quickly. I had to take some pills. But we're good to go. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
I'm feeling good. It's Wednesday. That one day off stream made it feel like we haven't streamed for a week. I don't actually know how to stream this morning, but good to be here. Good to be back.
Hey. All right. Before we get into the good stuff, I just want to get a little bit of admin out. Obviously, guys, yesterday, Cracker going for TP almost immediately. I know Peter was in. Some of the Project G guys also took it. So, again, there is some people on the record, that it did go for TP yesterday. So the Cracker is 1 for 1, or 1 out of 2 this week, so 50% so far. See if we can start throwing it and get that 4 out of 5 again this week. But before we get into the good stuff, Chris, will you open us up with some prayer, brother?
I will. Peter, we just want to know, it seems Peter cracked the code. But anyways, Chad. Just for Peter, people of Mexico, Peter just letting us know that I don't know if the hurricane has landed yet or whether it's still the outer part of it. But just pray for the people of Mexico. These natural disasters is never a good thing. So please keep Peter and specifically the people of Mexico and the surrounding area in your prayers. Please, Chad, let's do that. We will also carry them up in prayer now. But Father, we just want to thank you for another session. Thank you for bringing back each and every one of us safely here. Thank you for another day in the markets. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do what we love. And Father, we just pray that you will bless us this session. I pray that you will guide Keegan. Father, then we also just want to bring forth the people of Mexico. We pray that you will keep them safe. We pray that you will keep the first responders safe. And anyone that is potentially doing any work to try and help and rescue people, we pray for your hand of protection over them, and also for each and everyone hearing our voice. I pray that it will go with our businesses, our families, our homes, and everyone around us. And we pray this and we ask this not because we deserve it, but purely because of your grace and your mercies that are new every single day. And we pray and we ask this in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe it, you can just drop an amen now in the chat.
Amen. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there, guys. What's up, people of Florida? It's heading your way on Thursday of this week.
Damn.
All right. But we'll definitely keep Peter and all those people in our prayers and thoughts. But let's get over to the good stuff. Let's get a little bit uplifted. Let's get ready. It is Wednesday. We are back. Going to be a little bit of a short one. Almost basically our second last one for the week. Obviously, Chris and myself out of town on Friday. Coming in hot to the Cape Town family. So let's start and really finish strong here. It's basically a Thursday in our books. But let's get into this, guys. Forex, the fundamental chats. What are we looking at here? New home sales coming out at 4 o'clock. And again, looking at a little bit of a decrease there. So we're going to see what that basically shows out for us with the dollar. Definitely leaning into already our thoughts, what we are thinking there. So not really changing much, but pretty much clear sailing for the day. So over to the charts, let's have a look here. So DXY, we are bearish. Now, big thing, guys, we gapped down straight off the bat this morning. I spoke to everyone that we could trade bearish immediately. I wouldn't mind it. The big thing for me today is that we finally broke that level. We've always been talking about this for the last week. Even before that, we've known this is a level we had to break. Now we had the break. This was the chance here, and I said if it went bullish at all and got the retest, that would have been perfect. But the big thing for dollar today, and if it closes bearish, dollar is cooked in my books. So as long as we close, if dollar even closes like this today, that's it, guys. It's done. We've got clear momentum for next 2 months minimum. So that's what I want to start seeing happen here. So already this, even this, what I was saying, that home sales going to add to the pain here for the dollar and just bringing it down. So we saw obviously the move. This was the trying to run. We obviously saw this, what I was talking about this morning. Gap down. We opened up, closed the gap, and then went all the way back down, trying to fight back. This was the chance it had and failed going bearish. To be fair, I can't even say it failed yet because technically this can just be a retest of Asia lows, also previous daily lows. What did I just do there? Let me take that away. Can be the retest of previous daily lows and Asia high. So if it does hold you on market open and gets that run, still a good chance it can come up here. We've got the daily pivot in this level of resistance as well as the 200 lurking in there. So we can see that possible move. But if we start to break down and continue like this, again, once we can take out these equal Asia lows, previous weekly lows, weekly S1, I think the dollar is done for. And there, that monthly S1 and weekly key level of 99,530 is on the table for us. So what does that mean for the indices? Now, very simple, guys. We obviously at 20,000, the psychological level on NAS. We've been talking about this level for a while. We got up there, tried to have the run, pulled back and closed bearish underneath the level. That was the big thing here for me. Now we've traded back down. You've had the retest. We spoke about this. Nice, healthy retest. A lot of people are going to go for that fake out once taking out those lows. Finally supported the EQ as always, and now trading bullish. So again, I'm still looking for that bullish momentum. If anything for me, if NAS gets to this key level again and breaks it and possibly fails, I think the sells could be on. That is the only case I see the sells being on. Otherwise, I'm expecting a big run today on NASDAQ. So be careful of that one. Going over to US 30, almost very similar. Let's actually go over to this chart. This is the one we're trading now. So if we look over here, again, all-time highs, previous all-time highs. We broke, but we did have a very nice run and then a very aggressive pullback. Again today, traded down, traded up, still holding back at that area. So the first thing is I don't like it. Yeah, we did get the break slightly above those highs, so we are showing this bullish momentum. But the fact we keep trying to run and keep getting pushed down, we should be in a lot more volume at these highs. So the big thing for me, again, beautiful move this morning. The lows holding the 200. You guys were here this morning. If we spoke about this, so if maybe you guys reacted, if you took it, awesome stuff. But trade called beautifully this morning, holding previous weekly highs and their previous all-time highs. Again, this can just be the retest now of Asia highs before continuing bullish. We're still previous daily highs on the table, falling a little bit short, but we are still there. So still bullish, but we do want to be careful of this because, again, big thing, the closer and closer we get to the 200 means the closer and closer we get to trading under the 200, and then that sell-off's going to come in. So this is see what happens there, but I definitely am looking for, I like the buys, but I'm very cautious of the sells. Then lastly, gold. Gold has just been another monster lately. As you guys know, I love gold. Very, very nice. Easy to call the moves, call the trades. I mean, you can see all the levels called down perfectly. But getting in on those moves now is a whole different story. I've always said I love gold because it's simple. It's breaks, retests, continuations. Gold is doing that, but not giving us retests. Other ones falling just short of the retests, and you're just missing the moves. And personally, with the way the charts are on and how volatile they are, you're going to get hurt if you the least little bit short on the trade. So traded bullish, big move to the downside, holding this level over here, falling just short of the weekly R1, but holding this, never gave the retest. So there you failed on the retest, basically held Asia lows, finally had the big breakaway at previous daily highs. This for me is the level now for New York session. Gold can get above here. I think the bars are on untested Asia highs, and again, continuation move at least at weekly R2 because we are so short. We've held the weekly R1, so we always know. Then we go into the weekly R2. So definitely on the table for me there. But if, again, same thing, if we do start trading underneath here, I will not be shy to look at possible sells. But the buys are in my favor. That's what I'm looking at and what I want and prefer for today. Then lastly, just before I give it over to Chris, the cracker is looking for, I have no clue.
Wait.
Okay. I think it's bullish. That looks blue to me. Let me look at the other one as well.
Oh no.
Okay, so it looks bullish, and on the other chart it is bullish. So
Is it? Are you sure?
yeah, so this one looks bullish and the other one is definitely bullish. So I think we're gonna go with the bullish call.
On the broker
I like
feed,
the
it's
buys.
bullish as well. Broker feed.
Yeah, so we're gonna go with the buys. I do like that, but let's see if we get those continuation plays we were talking about. Again, beautiful move. If we can get something like this, that retest and then big move to the top side will be beautiful. But let's see what the Kraken can do. But that's it from you guys. Over to you, Chris.
So you're going with the bars. Is that what you're saying?
Go with bars, bro.
All right, Chad. Beautiful. Back inside of the Asia range. So for me, very simply put, as we go into the session, we're just going to need to monitor this level here. If we can cap any upside just around about that level right there, it's going to bother me. Why did I touch it? Just keep it straight. If we can stay below that level, I do think we can go lower. Also remember we talked about this 50% of the Asia range. Once we break below that as well, Asia lows, previous weekly low. And this is the level, Chad, that I want you guys to keep an eye out for. All right, I think this is the lowest the dollar has been this year. And once we break that area right there, things are going to get saucy. All right, things are going to get messy for the dollar. US 30, let's check the daily. Daily flipping back bullish, beautifully nice, deep little pullback there. All-time high sitting there again. Are we going to go for it? Are we going to turn shy? But beautiful movements here from Asia lows this morning. We spoke about it, not really testing and holding it, just a clean break through it and running away, taking that previous weekly high as well. Also already tested there. I would say, Chad, if I'm very honest, it makes it a little bit tricky where we're trading from now. I want to say if we get another test on Asia highs, that's the level that I'm going to monitor. And previous daily high, that's obviously all-time highs as well. And then we've got the daily R1. So let's see if we get a trending day, but a little bit tricky where we are currently at. I want to see what we do at Asia highs. Maybe we get a nice little pullback there. Nasdaq's relatively clean price action here this morning, a little bit late into the session. As mentioned, beautifully bullish. I do think if we can stay within this range, this is going to be your range for the week and maybe early into next week. Nasdaq still has got some catching up to do with US 30. And what I want to mark out here is, remember we spoke about this level here this morning and we said if we can break above it, bullish. If we reject below it, bearish, but EQ capping any downside movement for Nasdaq. This was around about 1245, broke above, holding above that 200. Seems very likely we're going for those Asia highs. Also the previous weekly highs, this level marked out here this morning as well. Seems likely. If not, if we start breaking back below here, things are going to get a little bit saucy here for Nasdaq. So I would say keep this still on your watch list. This is not off the table as of yet. Just need to monitor that daily pivot Asia low level. Gold doing something similar to yesterday, Chad. Long consolidation, then a break. At a big consolidation, multiple tests off that 200. 200 just holding beautifully there. Asia lows holding as well. Now at the previous daily high level. And I want to say this zone for me, two zones actually. I would be looking for buys on gold if we can hold this level. It's still, price action is currently very clean for me. Nice little breakout, no retest of this level. Previous daily high makes it a little bit tricky, but if we can hold above here, I don't necessarily want it to pull back all the way here. If we can hold above this previous daily high level and also the 26.65, yesterday's high becomes a very easy target for us to the upside. I would only really consider sells below here. All right. Other than that, this is a super bullish market. We don't want to get involved with selling. SA40, unfortunately, this happened when I was not on the charts. Beautiful hold here on the weekly R2, 200 holding. Currently trading, not going to look for anything here. 2% up on the day here. I'm fine to stay out of it. Beautiful to see my local portfolio for the first time. I think it's the best it's been in over 2 years, from 30% down to only currently 8% down. So that mining plays that I've been talking about for the last 2 years now starting to come to life. That local portfolio of mine is purely mining stocks, and I said somewhere along the line, all of this bullishness on gold that I've been bullish on for the last year, 2 years, is going to start filtering through into the export market and all of that. So let's see if that still holds true. But that is my rapid fire analysis, Keeks.
Hey, beautiful stuff. We got basically 2.5 minutes left, guys, till market open. Let's see what we can cook up today.
Would you love the pullback rather to the daily pivot?
Yeah.
I think that's first prize there. First prize, daily pivot. That's also going to be the 200. Where's the 15-minute 200?
Yeah, it's going to be interesting what we get here today.
I'm just going to point out, today could be one of those days where it's either quick haircut, like very quick, without even blinking, or it's going to be a beautiful TP.
Chris Key, should I also complete the minimum 5 trading days on the second phase of my fund account? Yes, you have to complete that as well.
Please do that. We're already pushing.
To be fair, what we've seen it do a lot lately is, and I think we're going to agree, this thing's either going to push and market open, it's going to drop, or it's going to push, pull back just before the open, it's going to shoot off. But then we're waiting for the pullback, and then we'll go for it. We got this thing on a plat here, guys. We've got this figured out now.
So the first range break we take, but it's the second one we're gonna wait for the pull.
Yeah. So if it breaks, basically, let's just say no. If it takes previous daily highs, we're not jumping on. We're gonna rather wait for a pullback.
Do we wait for it to go back to the cheddar or the cherry? Because remember, if it goes to the strawberry level, do we do the first strawberry cut or do we wait for the cheddar cut? Remember that area we talked about that's called the cheese?
Right, yeah.
So would you wait for it to cut the cherry or would you wait for the cheese?
It depends, bro. It honestly depends on what it's going to do on the open. I think
what do you think?
The cherry is the...
Oh, so that first cut.
Yeah, it's the golden one for me. But
So you wouldn't wait for it to go back to the cheese?
like, I think we got cheese and cherry mixed up here, bro.
No, so the cheese is the non-colored zone.
Okay, but remember, I don't have the colors on.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's...
I'm in black and white. Okay. Hey, Chad, markets are open. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
There it goes.
There we go, guys. So there's the pop off. Let's see. You guys know, obviously, we're looking for the buys. So if it pops off, if it holds about here, we are not taking it there, guys. We are going to wait for the pullback. We're going to see if Chris and myself, we're going to put it to the test.
Wait.
See if we've learned.
Okay, no, that makes sense. Sorry, I thought we were waiting for the cheese.
We're not in yet, Chad. Just please note that. Yo. Now we're really gonna try catch a.
All right, if it close, so yo. Okay.
This is gonna be fun, bro.
Whoa. All right. So we're taking it. Is that what you're telling me? So we take because it literally broke everything. Literally broke.
Now you got the cheese, you got the
You
cherry, you got the
cherries
strawberry.
The onions have been cut. Oh
You got everything now, bro.
So you're taking it.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun.
3, 2, 1.
I'm in, Chad.
Go. Here we go.
Please tell me you pull in stuff or you
No,
enter in.
no, I'm pulling. It was just stop loss and take profit. Come on, this is gonna be good. Push, push, push. Go, go, go. Oh, almost there. Go, go, go. I'm gonna go break even so long. That thing is literally on my TP. Oh, Chad,
Yeah, I'm also break even, Chad.
I'm at break even because no bottom wick and it was literally on my TP. TP smacked.
And bro, don't tell me it literally just didn't.
Smacked my TP. It literally crushed it in half.
There's TP, Chad. Come on, baby. Bro.
2 out of 3. Huh?
There we go. Really like a nice 2.5% up in the live. There we go, Chad. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff, baby. Told you we have got this thing figured out now, bro. We would have got caught there. Look at that. We are learning, Chad. We are learning. We can trade sometimes, guys. We actually, there's a little bit of us that does know what we're doing.
All right, that's the session.
All right, guys. You guys know what's coming up now.
Damn, that was quick.
All right, Chad. Get ready for it, all right? 3, 2. All right, guys. So we took one, again, another beautiful win yesterday. But obviously it had been a public holiday. We were all my lonesome. Today we are back in the office on the live streams with the community. And the W's are in the chat. Chad, if you took this trade with us, send a W in the chat right now. As you guys can see, beautiful in and out. Literally no drawdown. TP hit. And there we can see it. The chat going absolutely crazy. W's all day. Again, 219 people all took this trade live with us. Again, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Hey. Nah, Chad, beautiful. 2 out of 3. Okay, I can close. I can lose electricity now. It's all good.
Hey, bro, you've got a lot more to worry about than us. But yeah, good luck, Peter Strongs, with.
Now we will be thinking of you, brother. All right, bro. So that's a month.
You're gonna wait, dude. Wait for the
Nah.
payout now. That's 50k, bro. That's literally. That's 50 G's.
So this thing literally can just chill till payout, bro. Nah, hold on. I want to figure this thing out. I was trying to do this yesterday, and I'll make sure if I've got this right now.
The opening range.
Yeah. So
Okay, wait, let me see.
from opening. All right. Okay.
This man. Let's see. Let's
And
see.
now I'm obviously just gonna
Yeah,
follow
yeah,
the candle
yes.
until
Perfect.
until quarter past, eh?
Quarter past.
So
So
it's
as soon,
15 minutes.
15 minutes. As soon
So
as
at
that candle,
45, when the 45 candle closes, whatever the lowest point is.
the 44 candle, because it
The
opens.
44.
Yeah, so it opens up at 44 and it will close on 45. That's your. So we still have one range break. So maybe that's the little cherry.
All right.
Dude, these trades are quick, my dude. It's literally 1 minute. It's 60-second trades.
Hey, but it works, bro. Where else do you make that money in 60 seconds?
But it doesn't feel right, though. feels criminal.
On 5 minute gigs. Wait. What are we doing on the 5 minute, Justin?
It's only a category 1. Damn. Chad, gold still currently rejecting that level. Opening range is quite wide here this afternoon. DXY still holding below that level. Nasdaq, okay. We did say very likely we're going to go for.
Hey, there you go, 20,000.
Yeah, we did say we're going to go for that. Asia is more likely to take that. So, and then US 30 just waiting for this opening range. Quite a wide range.
Just watch gold, guys. Still at that previous daily high. It is fighting there. Gold gets through there, that thing's gonna run. Well, imagine walking into your office to work. Hey guys, how's it going? 1 minute later, okay, I'm done for the day. Walk. I think people would think we've lost our minds or something.
It's like in and out, done for the day.
Bro, but that's the thing we forget about, eh? Like, think of this, like, legitimately now. Like, without talking money, we don't even talk the money price. Like, Chris, you know what we're talking about. But,
Yeah.
like, there, we did that. That was 60 seconds. That's some people's monthly salary. And I think we forget about that, bro. People work a whole month to make that what we just did in 60 seconds.
Did you say gone in 60 seconds? Nicolas Cage.
Oh, my word.
Some people blow someone else's salary in a month in 60 seconds.
Oh, yeah, no.
All right, let's see.
Those people don't have stop loss as business expenses.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, guys.
Sure, bro. Gemini could be pulling this thing back out of the flames, my dude.
Wait, what did it take?
Buy. I was looking for buy again.
Gold.
Yeah. Google Gemini.
Bro, if it breaks that level,
Yeah,
the
it's
previous
gonna-
ADR, that thing's
gonna run.
running, bro.
Luckily, I was a little bit focused on the cracker, and by the time I went back to Gemini,
Alright, so
price
you
was-
got a really good entry.
Yeah, so Chad, if it comes back here, Gemini is back in business. I think this is the first winning day then for Gemini, taking 2 wins. 2 wins for Gemini. The story continues. 1.5% risk per trade. Oh, okay, now it's above that level, Chad. Got to see what we do here. Opening range, quite a big opening range. So Keeks, as soon as this 5-minute candle closes, that's your opening 15-minute range.
Wait, this candle?
The 5 minutes.
Oh, on the 5.
Five. I'm rooting. Hey man, that's the thing. Some of us need to work hard for half of that. Hey Nila.
Wait, so how much is it down now? Because if it takes a W today, yeah.
It's currently down
So if it is-
5.2%.
So if it takes the win now, it would only be 3.5%.
Yeah, so it took 2 losses on Monday. Back-to-back losses. Yeah,
Oh,
so
yeah, that's
it
what
was,
did it bad.
so it was the equity curve was flat for a while. So it was taking 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 loss, and then
Okay.
on Monday it took two knocks. Boom, boom.
You think this bad will start, bro?
Huh? No, you have to. You wanna wait? Let me do it.
Hey, is it just me?
No, it is not.
It is.
No, it is not. When you eat it's like that, it will get off. Well, I call it the firecracker.
I see you get the ball cracker down, then I'll only trade USD 60 seconds a day. Peter, bro, that's the thing, eh? As much as we make like chat about it, imagine that's your day. Like we joking about it, but that was me yesterday with Kate. I sat down and I'm like, listen, I'm trading now. Like just please, if I'm going to be focused here. And I went to her 2 minutes later. And I'm like, hey, I'm done for the day. And she was like, what? And I'm like, no, like I hit TP. I'm done. I'm going to play FIFA now. And she's like, oh, okay.
It's like, what criminal activity are you busy with?
Hey, Kalen, how you doing, brother? Haven't seen you in a while. I'm back, boys. How's everyone doing?
Oh, gold rejecting that level.
Oof, yeah, they rejected it hard, eh?
Yeah, even US 30 now.
We do have the news coming out now, eh? Home sales. Oh no, home sales.
18 minutes.
Yeah.
Something broke here. I don't see anything on the squawk here.
On the squawk.
Israeli military calling up 2 reserve brigades to northern area. Yeah, big shout out to New Squawk, guys. Dollar, let's check dollar. Yeah, dollar coming back here a little bit. Let's see, US 30. Chad, the breakout strat here is going to be relatively difficult today because it's so wide. It's quite a big range here. Almost 0.5%, 170. Yeah, we'll need to see what we do, but quite a wide range here. SA40 also collapsing here.
I mean, those 60 pips are 2 weeks minimum wage in Mexico. If I can do that 4 times a week, I'm happy. That's the thing, Peter, exactly, bro. Like, that's why I said to Chris, for me, for example, on a funded account, I need 4 wins. 4 wins on the firecracker in a month. And that's great. Then keep in mind, after the first month is bi-weekly. So you just do 4 wins in 2 weeks and you're solid. And that's risking 1%.
Keegs Nila asking that you get the cracker live after you get the funded account live with just the cracker.
I did just the cracker, but I won't lie, I did do 1 or 2 other trades. They use principles of the cracker, but there were other trades. There was 1 or 2 on gold. So I won't lie about that, but predominantly like 90% of the trades were just the cracker.
Alright, damn bro, big opening range. Nasdaq now back at that level we spoke about rejecting.
Ooh, US30, was that the little fake out? Oh wait, damn.
That took all-time highs, rejected daily R1, not the daily pivot.
Okay, never mind. We never faked out. We took all-time highs, but we never faked out the range. Hey, so this would be the opening range now.
Yeah, let me see yours.
So, because that's the 44th minute, and then that was the... Okay.
It's easier even to go on the 5 minute, and then you can just check your 1540, that 1540 candle.
And the 1530.
So
between 1530 and 1540, the highs and the low. Okay.
So the idea is if the range is so wide, you want to either see some type of consolidation here on the 5 minutes. So either create some type of structure and then like a break, or what you want to see is it creating some type of support and then a break. So you at least have like some type of consolidation to trade from.
Okay.
Otherwise, if it's just like one-dimensional like this, it's it's chalked.
Keys, not sure if you know, you can change your reward down FTMO to 2 weeks. Whoa. Frankie, hold up, brother. Isn't that only after the first payout? Or can you do that like straight off the rip? Don't be telling me these things, bro. It's like Christmas now.
Peter, I'm also for the most part, I want to say done with gold. Just purely because there's not trades that meet my setup. I'm still gonna watch it, and if I get a setup that's according to my plan, I'll take it. But I'm not gonna make it the main focus anymore. It has just been way too tough. Chad, your GU coming back here. Let's check if Nila got his set up.
Holy... What? You can do it right off the rip, bro. And you can change it 3 times within a month. That is sick. Frankie, brother. I don't know where you're from. I owe you a coffee, machana. Or if you're South African, I owe you a bananas. Whichever one you prefer.
GU. Yeah, GU. Interesting one, yeah. Asia low is now being retested, holding above the weekly R1. Waiting for that, Chris. Let's check here. Okay. Nila, would you wait for actual continuation setup on the hourly? So, say a resistance being formed on the hourly and then a break. So, technically waiting 2 more hours. Or would you purely take it on the 1 hour closing above here?
Yo, Frankie, I literally just did it, bro. Nah, big shout out to you, bro.
Chad, here's the thing with gold. What gold has been doing lately is it would do this similar to what you had here. Just want to show you guys, similar to what we had here. It would break out. You don't get the retest. It would just continue. So the idea would be, if you want to take a trade like this, and you just have to be quick on it. is use your same risk. If you were using 22 pips or 30 pips stop, use that same risk. Wait for a bottom wick to form, and if it breaks, you can have like a very tight stop. So your risk is technically like 0.3%, 0.4%, and then it needs to run. But for the most part, you don't get clean retests anymore. That's just something that I've observed with gold. But it's struggling.
Yeah, Michael, sorry man. Yeah, my and it also showed a buy, brother.
All right. Gigs, for instance, like this, I won't, if it breaks here, I won't sell it. Purely because it's one move down, and if you check 60, yeah, it is a valid, here's the thing, it is a valid break of structure there. If you look a little bit deeper.
Continuation.
No, it's a reversal setup. So there it took the high.
Yeah.
It broke those highs there, and then completely reversed. But I won't take it here. This for me becomes somewhat of a riskier setup.
No, but I'm saying, so now we it took the low.
Yeah.
You're saying that's a reversal play, so it's going to go back up.
No. You
Are you
want
talking about the top?
No. You want to continue lower.
Okay.
But
yeah,
I won't.
with
But I
you.
won't take it here because we don't have any structure close by. The only structure we've got.
For me, what I do like is on the 15, you at the 200 again, which I said the big thing is if we go lower, we've allowed us to get closer to 200. If we start breaking, the closer we get to the 200, the closer we become able to trade under the 200.
Yeah.
And again, same thing. If this thing can break it, I think then you're going to see this thing run.
I would love a consolidation inside here, somewhere here, and if we can then get that continuation break, then I would take it, but I won't take it here.
Check.
Where's Bugatti? I know Bugatti was in the backtesting. Bugatti, what did we say in the backtesting? Would we consider it? Because it is a valid break of structure, but I think there's no immediate range nearby. That's if it even breaks, yeah. You said we can take or we can't. Okay, but it's anyway not closing outside there. Massive bottom wick as well. Yeah, it's actually not... it's not outside anyways, but I would love some type of support being formed and then another break. Gold struggling here as well. SA40 just dying from that opening range low here. No, that can't be the opening range. Gold is trying to get above this level, really trying.
Sorry, bro. So now here's my next question again, because I am intrigued by this whole opening range thing. So now, let me actually make this thing longer so I can see it properly.
Are you on the 1 minute?
Yeah, I'm on the 1 minute. For example, it has to reject, because I remember from when I took that sell. Now this broke in. So is that a failed reject, and now this is going to be a reversal play?
I don't trade the reversal.
So you only trade the continuation?
Only the continue.
Okay.
And for that reason, is during the back testing, we saw that the fake outs are usually very chop. So it can work, but it becomes very choppy in here. So once you take it, let's say it holds opening range low, then it would chop something like this. It would do something like that. It's not a clean move back up.
Okay. I'm with you now. But I must say I like this. Remember I said to you yesterday, from when I was doing it, I was playing around with it, and if I understood it right. When I did this yesterday, this is literally what it did to the guys yesterday. So it traded down, held it as support. Eventually it broke.
Came all the way back in.
It broke again. Came back in. Broke again.
Yeah,
and then it did this. Bang. And then it got everyone on that last drop. Then it just nuked everyone.
Yeah, I don't like it. I
just want to see what it's going to do on that 200. That's all that's keeping me interested, yeah.
That 15.
Yeah. If we can get under that, I might take a shot at it, bro.
The shorty.
Yeah, then I might take a shot.
Shorty. I think it's going to be another range, though, if I'm honest. Just looking at that, we didn't respect Asia highs, back at Asia lows. US 30. Got that week full advantage. How much is that?
Yeah,
20.
I don't know, I'm watching the EQ as well. So my thing is, yeah, it's messy. It was a support, then it broke. On the 5 again, this is where it looks good for me. So the break, there's your final break underneath. Retest underneath. And on the 1 minute, there was your break, retest also. So I think the EQ is just so it's cooking something up there. But we got news, so we got to watch what this news is going to do.
Gold and GBP looking like sells. Interesting.
So here's my question for you, bro. Fundamental one. Home sales comes out lower, which we're expecting. Equities, bullish, bearish.
Equities are going to look for any reason to buy. So equities are looking for reasons to buy. So home sales going to pressure the dollar, because what's going to happen with the Fed is the Fed's going to be pressured to cut again by 50 basis points.
Yeah.
So immediate effect, bad home sales could be immediately negative for both dollar and equities. And then afterwards, what's going to happen is the negative dollar is then going to boost equities again, similar to what we chatted about last time.
Okay, so that's where my thought is.
So
if
I'm
we get a
thinking
weak print here, I think equities like a USD in them, they're going to actually go down.
Yeah.
It's showing us that weak economy.
And then a little bit later, it's going to be weaker dollar, and that weaker dollar is then going to prop equities again.
Yeah, so we on the same page. I think tomorrow with unemployment claims, we have a very bad number again. Indices will drop. Yeah, I think tomorrow is going to be the big one. If things don't go to plan tomorrow, yeah, I think that can definitely be the reversal plays. I mean, reversals in the higher time frame reversals.
And obviously, a weak print's gonna boost gold just purely for that safe haven flow.
Yeah, so gold's winning, yeah, no matter what.
Yeah, gold is the winner here.
Gold's getting its bread buttered on both sides, yeah.
Come on, Gemini. Go for the
boys
TP.
GU Mal now. Hey, Lyndon, if it's not broke, don't fix it, brother.
What time is it coming out? It's coming out in 50 seconds.
Is Gemini still in?
Yeah, it's still holding these buys. Gemini. Let's see. 50 seconds. Can Gemini clap a TP?
Let's see. Yeah, I want to first see what this print's gonna do. Sell gold. Okay, that's the complete opposite of everything else we said.
Sell gold. That is pretty rough. Let's check 5 seconds. But this is mid here. Let's check
Wednesday next week. What's Wednesday next week?
let's see. There's the news. Will gold go for Gemini? Go. What print? What did the print come out as? Oh, better than expected. Okay. Interesting.
Okay.
Alright, better than expected.
Better than expected, but it is still a drop.
Is it below previous? Yeah, it's below previous. Better than expected, below previous. So, well, Gemini.
Let's see. So is USD gonna sell off now? So there comes your strong dollar. Gold dropping $2, $2.50. USD at Asia lows. Must say, hey, USD is moving quite slowly, for a New York session.
I think it wants to range though. That's the thing. If you took this breakout, yeah. Back below Asia lows. What is Nasdaq doing? Oh, Nasdaq doing complete opposite. Interesting. GU breaking back below 13400. GU, what I would say is monitor this zone, yeah. That's where we rejected this morning, that 200, and then just died off from there. So GU, just watch this zone, yeah. What do we get on a 1 minute? Technically on the 1 minute keys, if you're trading the 1 minute, that was your fake out inside and then the breakout. So you would have taken it there, but on the back testing as well, we saw that the 5 minute was the better one.
For what,
Because because you won't get those fake outs. So where on the 1 minute it will look like it's closing below,
yeah.
on the 5 it actually closes inside.
Brandon, we've already been in our trade, my man. So we're looking now if we might take something, but you can't just be like sell or buy, brother. It doesn't work that way. We need to see what the market's going to show us and we'll react to that.
Where was that?
He's like USD sells and then he's just sending question marks again. So just save a lot when GU breaks out of Asia range and comes back to center of Asia and rejects and breaks low of the day.
You have to trade it then if you've seen it. No, I'm serious. So that's the thing with trading. You're gonna start picking up certain patterns, and it's one thing for you to have said you've seen it over and over, but if you're not executing on it, all of that seeing it over and over doesn't do you any good. Then you rather need to start trading it. That's how you develop a strategy. That's how you get a feel for what you're doing. And it's actually good that you're seeing it, because a lot of people fail to recognize patterns.
No, I get you, brother. That's just says we don't really answer it because we can't answer. We don't have an answer yet. What indicator do you use for Asia highs and lows? No, it's 2G's indicator, brother.
Okay, yeah, Gemini looks like it wants to go smack a TP. Gemini, go for
Gemini.
the TP.
Come on, stay alive. Show us you can trade.
Gemini, go for the TP. Go, go, go. Chad, some of the tightest spreads you'll see in the industry. Vault Funder. Look at that. What is that? That's not even 10 pips. A young 10 pip spread here on gold. Tightest in the industry. Keep it tight, keep it light.
All right. Chris, when's your boy band starting, bro?
I'm trying, man. I'm trying to get it off the ground here. Trying to get some endorsements. All right, there's back inside now, Keeks. This is interesting.
Wait, what are we looking at?
The opening range. Dude, I think it's going to be a chalked session. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. Range day.
Yeah, your thing is the 5 minute for me is obviously the break above now, but not really seeing anything else, anywhere else.
This is something I need to go and back test, Keegs.
What's
Just
that?
break back into the range. Because we've seen it, the fake out. Just want to answer you quickly.
Go for it.
Hello.
Yeah, Chad, I'm not obviously taking this. I'm not 200% certain with it and used to it yet, but it's there. So Nasdaq is going bullish. Usually looks like it wants to. I think it's just battling to make up its mind. Can I be your yeah, guys. Market maker wants to hurt some stop loss for you so you can go bullish. Yeah, as I say, guys, it looks good. I think you might just have to be a bit patient. It's obviously you got the EQ there, it's bouncing off of as well, so I think it's going to fight for it a bit. but I wouldn't say it's not a bad play. Obviously not my typical trade. What is DXY doing? Hold it on there. Okay, gold's still fighting a bit. I think Gemini might have a TP. Nasdaq running. For me, if it can't get above this EQ, I think there's a little bit of a problem there. Yeah, I definitely think Gemini must have hit TP. Sheesh, what a question. Keeks, can we see your forehead? What? Can you see my forehead? I don't even know what to say to that.
Oh, Gemini.
I was gonna say it must be
Gemini.
TP.
Woo! Chad. Gemini chatbot. Oh my goodness, Gemini's back in, baby. Look at Gemini go. The content lives on. Let's close that terminal now. Alright, Kigadarius.
That brother.
Are you going for these shorts, my bro?
What shorts is that?
US 30 shorts.
Shorten it again.
We're gonna short this thing. Technically, if it breaks down, yeah, we have to take it.
What do you mean technically?
Because it's a break. It's outside of the opening range load, so it's a breakout lower. So if it breaks here, we have to execute.
We have to actually.
Yes, we have to. That's the rules, my brother. I don't make these rules, Chad. We're gonna have to, Kicks. Get ready. Chad, get ready. 2 minutes, 50 seconds. We have to execute, my bro. If it breaks that structure, that is the rules. That is if. That is if. Chad, sorry man, what I wanted to speak about quickly is that a lot of you have been with us for very long. And the framework we've given you to trade with, we want you to develop your own system around it as well. But also collectively as a community, if we're seeing something that sticks out and there's something that you see on a constant basis, that is why the community is here, to share your I don't want to say pattern recognition, but if you see something, share it with us. That's the entire idea about a free trading community like this, is to collectively share ideas, and collectively we've got at one stage over 200 eyes on the market. So that is where the power in a community comes in. If you see something and there's something that you've back tested, then to share it with the rest of the community. So don't be scared of sharing an idea or sharing a pattern or sharing something that you've seen.
So Chris, didn't you take it now?
No, that's to close here.
You're on the 5.
Yeah, no, I don't trade it on the 1 minute.
Okay.
No, 1 minute. 1 minute's for the cracker. So we're going for the daily S1 now.
It's not like it's going to give you much of a range.
Yeah, it's not much to...
Like, I'm just saying, this thing's motoring, bro.
What did I do on the 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute.
So the gold's still stuck at that previous daily high, eh? I can't get away from it.
Someone was asking me, why do I use buy stops on gold? And this is a very good example. So previously, this is a continuation setup. And if you just executed on the close of that candle, immediate drawdown, and you would have been stopped. And the reason I use buy stops is to not get into a situation like this. So you use that buy stop to see where the price is going to pull back, hold a key level, and then break it. Because then highly likely if it breaks that high, it will continue. Because somebody was just, some of the guys were asking about that. And it's exactly for this reason, to not just execute on the close.
Spency, my brother, I'm just asking. I wear a cap often because I'm too lazy to do my hair.
Chad, I'm not
all
in
it
this.
is.
Sorry, Keeks. I'm not in this. I almost need to run to go and pick up my son. But technically, that is your breakout trade there. Not a lot of range left, as Keeks mentioned. Your first target's going to be the daily S1. And then that's 60 if you can get it. But the idea here is you had a pullback. You had some support being formed here. You had a structure break. For me, it's just way too far away from that opening range low. And we already got a buy. But that is the potential setup. I'm just marking this purely for back testing. So not taking it. This is purely just for data collection. I'm just going to leave this on my chart, see where it is a little bit later, but to extend it, also this is the session low and the daily low. And if you go back to our notes that we've made, let me just grab our notes here quickly. Let me just share my notes with you guys quickly for the guys that actually do want to start trading it. Let me just copy this quickly here. These were the notes. I don't know if you guys can see that, if that's visible. Avoid high and low of a session. Avoid high or low of the day. Monday and Friday before we have set. Okay, so that's one of the reasons why we wouldn't take it, because that is the daily low. That's also the low of the session that we've created. So
Spency, please, brother, all I'm going to say is please do a little hashtag. What is my thing for my Instagram? I don't know which mine is, but brother, just go check out my Instagram. Like, really, I'm not even at this debate, yeah. It's a bit of a childish thing. Exclamation mark Keegan, put it in there. You go check out my Instagram. There's plenty of photos and videos. These podcasts, everything without me, without a hat on. So you can happily go entertain yourself, my brother.
Keegan also has a page, Only Heads, where it's just his head as well. Only head.
Bro. I don't even get some of these guys anymore.
It's Only Head, and it's only his forehead, believe it or not, on Only Head. So yeah, it's pretty exciting stuff. Can you go check it out? Only Head. Only Heads, yeah. Only Heads. And some of it, Keegan has actually put some oil on his forehead, and it's shining, bro. It's beautiful. I'm the moderator of that channel, so all of the stuff comes through me. Firstly, to check it out. But yeah, shiny, pristine. I can say he's got a very strict routine how to exfoliate the skin on the forehead. He uses almost like a charcoal-based face wash. Exfoliates with a little bit of steam, then applies that. Hey, bro, yeah, some acts are weird on the internet, bro.
Right.
That's the thing what I told Mo as well. Like,
If maybe he was focusing half as much attention on trading as he does on foreheads, maybe he'd be a decent trader.
It does get more oily the more you rub it. It's like some things in life. The more you rub it. Chris is selling the only heads, young. Hey, man. Ooh, only heads. Damn, bro. Bro, yeah. Chad, one thing, listen here. Please do not go on Twitter. Please don't use that app. That app is horrific. I told Mo, in a matter of 5 minutes, I'm like, what is life? That app should actually be banned. I don't know how the stuff that's on there. And I'm not talking about like corn stuff. I'm talking about like shootings, like crazy, like war stuff that happens in war. And I'm like, how is this even visible on this app?
Yeah, it's a bit wild.
Have you seen it, bro?
I've seen some of it.
Hey, Jeremy, I hope you're well, my brother. Jeremy getting into the tail end. Yeah, sorry, Jeremy, if you got into the tail end of this conversation. Yeah, dude, you should, Peter. I'm honest when I say this. I told Mo, horrific app.
Hey, bro, there's your daily S1.
Yeah, so Chad, if it wasn't a session low, this is where we would have gone break even. But again, I'm just purely doing this to collect the data. So $45, looking for 60. Telegram, but how though? How do you see stuff on Telegram? Bro, but no, my feed is whack. I've never searched like none of that stuff. That's the thing. There's setting that you can put that stuff off, then I have to. No, it's poof.
Linen, bro, I'm loving it. Grinding. Only bit irritating is like I've already maxed out my SP points for Ultimate Team this week. So it's taking so long for them to bring out like the new challenges to keep the SP rolling. But no, I'm loving it. I must say, I got Etty. If Etty's still here. I've been getting into a few Rush games. I really am enjoying Rush. That's a lot of fun. But I'm smarking it.
Right, Chad, that's the trade there. Opening range. For the guys that want to follow it, again, these are the set rules if you want to follow along the 15-minute opening range break. Let me know if you guys can see it, if you want to screenshot it quickly. One of our rules is we don't trade the high or the low of the session or of the day.
Oh my word, now Spency's on. Chris, is it your hair or is it a wig? Oh my word, this man.
It's only wigs, bro. It's only heads and only wigs. That's the channel. Why spend money on real hair when I can just put on a beautiful set of hair every morning? And the beauty of it, I can actually style it before I put it on. No, Rox, you don't have to chalk
just
it.
get rid of the man. You know, flipping clown, yeah, bro.
Second opening range trade win for the week. Oh, Bugatti, have you been taking, my brother? What did you take? When was your other one that you took?
Rooks, I must say, I saw your comment there about the EQ to the S1, bro. It killed today.
Chris, I caught it by accident. Is that what they call it these days? Is that what they call it? Caught it by accident. Tried to close the app. PP1. I like it. That way you can say, if you lose the trade, damn, my finger slipped and I got a TP.
Oh, no, that was brilliant.
Is the iteration of the ARP called 100 points on NAS yesterday. Fubs, I saw your... Damn, Fubs sent me... I hope it's not that serious, Fubs. Fubs sent me a voice note, but it's a mini it's a mini series, so I'm gonna have to listen to it every night. I'll listen to a section. Yo, Fabzi, that voice note is a voice note. That is, where's it? Wait, there's still. Did I see? Yo, no, Fabs, yeah. I kept it on unread. That's a voice note for the drive home. Okay, it was the trigger finger. Yeah, you don't have to lie to us. You can just say, bro. No, but it is something that we're working on. We did quite a Bugatti took 2 trades already, Monday and today. Bugatti, did you take this one? There's definitely a lot of value in it, even for the guys that were part of the back testing. Voice note wasn't about, or was onto more serious. Okay. No, 100%, my brother. I want to listen to it shortly. So I know Bugatti also, he was part of that session. So I think between me and some of the other guys that are also trading it, we'll start having like a little bit of a workshop meeting, maybe at the end of the week or maybe on a Saturday. And then Saturday we can chat about it, and then all of us, we're going to try and refine it and see what we picked up. So for everyone, Bugatti as well, start making some notes for those meetings that we can do on Saturdays. Then we can try and commit to every Saturday, do a little bit of a back testing session on it, and then also do a little bit of a workshop on it. But I think there's a lot of value in it. It's another layer that we're going to add to the US 30.
And there goes your study.
Yeah, beautiful.
We said, guys, for the minute that thing got under the 200, it was done for. Bit of an aggressive pullback, but melted after that. I'm just still watching gold, bro. The fact that it's ugly price, but when it breaks from here, it's gonna break.
Kiggs, I'm gonna unfortunately have to shoot. I have to pick up my son.
Bro, I'm done. You the one we're waiting
for.
Okay.
Full screen.
Full screens, brother.
All right, there you go.
Yeah, guys. Definitely it was a good one today. A little bit weird with some of the chatters sometimes, but it was a good one. The firecracker is doing what it's doing. I think Chris and myself have shown we understand how it works, how to optimize it, how to learn from the mistakes we've made with it in the past. So beautiful trade today. I think that's what made this one so rewarding. But definitely good to be back. Again, I think it was Frankie, big shout out, brother, for the little tip there. But Chris, any closing remarks from you, bro?
No, Chad, I think it was a solid session. I just want to reiterate that this community is not just about me and Keeks. So anyone, if you've got any suggestions, anything trading related, anything that you want to have answered, please check the Discord. We've got a Q&A section as well. And please chat to us. Also, please do share any recommendations, because ultimately this is for you guys, the user experience. If there's something you feel like we need to add, we need to remove, we're working on your feedback. We're sitting here behind the screens and we're not on the user end experience, and we've always had an open door policy. So if there's something that you want to see, if there's something that you want us to improve on, please let us know. Ultimately this is for you guys. And then also the trading, some solid stuff coming through the woodworks now, and just improving and exciting stuff. I think it's really the cracker. I think in the development phase was already showing a lot of promise, and now to actually get it to a stage where it passed the phase 1 and phase 2, even though Keeks would say it took some other trades in between. The bulk of the heavy lifting was done by the cracker, and you guys have seen the results. So beautiful. So also Discord. Very soon, my brother, we're actually having a meeting tomorrow to finalize the setup. It's already sitting there, but that's coming very soon. And then also the new season of the Ultimate Trader. I'm just letting you guys know this one's going to be a little bit different, but special in its own way. So, Keegs, really appreciate it, my brother. Beautiful trade.
So I think that's it, guys. We're gonna see you guys tomorrow for the last New York session for the week. So make sure you're here for that one. Gonna be good to see what the cracker can finish off with. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
Lately, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck